I am going to pick the winner for the Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to sign up under me, you'll get your first month 20% off if you use the promo code JEWEL20. The links are down below. And if you are a member, it's $24.99 per month. You get 2 skeins of yarn, you pick out your box, and you get a booklet of patterns. Also, I have a Facebook page and group if you'd like to join. That will allow you to see updates, and then you can participate in any chats or anything like that. All my links are down below. And let's see who the winner is. For the winner, Tina Brenning, thanks for all you do. You're welcome, and thank you. And you need to use the email that I have down below and give me your information. I'll send out this yarn as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and commenting, and come back in the next week or two to participate in any giveaways. And I have a bunch of patterns that I have been working on weekly, so just take a look at those. You can go to all my playlists, and I have playlists for pretty much everything. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and please subscribe.